A very good morning, my dear children. Today is a very special day. It is also my favorite day of the year because this day belongs to you. I am delighted to wish you all, my adorable students, a very happy Children's Day. My dear ones, your every little action, smiles and naughtiness inspire me to devote my life in providing a great platform for you to grow and learn. As you are aware, Children's Day marks the birth anniversary of late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Honorable Prime Minister of India. He was fondly called Chacha Nehru because of his deep love and fondness for children. He believed that it is the children who have the power to make India the greatest nation. In fact, I believe in it too. I believe that a nation blossoms when children blossom. To have a deeper reflection on this thought, let me tell you a short story. Listen to it carefully, my dear children. One day, two fishermen decided to fish in a nearby pond. One was an experienced fisherman and the other was a beginner. Both had packed their fishing equipments and utensils. They were looking forward to a successful day of fishing. Once they arrived at the pond, they chose to sit at a distance, not to steal each other's fish. The experienced fisherman caught a big and beautiful fish within few minutes. He placed the fish in the ice box to retain its freshness. He continued to fish and in a short time caught a few smaller fishes too. After about an hour of fishing, he saw that the less experienced person had not caught any fish and offered to help him, but he politely declined. After some time, the less experienced fisherman also caught a large fish. Surprisingly, he threw it back into the pond. The experienced fisherman was bewildered by this act. He remained silent as he watched the less experienced man capture many big fishes only to throw them back into the water. After a while, the experienced fisherman was annoyed by this act and he decided to approach the less experienced man and asked, "Why are you throwing the fishes back into the water?" "They are fresh and big," the less experienced fisherman replied. "I know that they are big, but I don't have a big enough pan to keep them and thus I am looking for smaller fishes that fits my pan." The experienced fisherman was shocked by this response and advised him to cut fishes into pieces which will fit into the small pan. Thus ends the story. What do you think will be the moral of this story? Understand, children, the biggest enemies of success are fear and laziness. Do not let fear prevent you from experiencing something new. Do not allow laziness to overtake you. Avoid shyness and work hard for better results in life. So, my dear children, celebrate this day with great enthusiasm and zeal and enjoy your childhood to the fullest, as tomorrow with you the most powerful and robust India will rise up to. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. May you make the best of your childhood. Realize your every dream and make us and your parents proud. Thank you.